About 11 to 92% of people across the world uses self-medication. Now, what's self-medication? Self-medication can also be referred to as do-it-yourself kind of medicine, and it's a human behavior on which an individual uses drugs to treat itself from disorders and symptoms, and sometimes it can become something like an addiction. And there are also people, if they feel a very little symptom of illness, they start taking drugs without proper control, and this can cause incorrect self-diagnosis, incorrect usage, worsening one's condition, and even masking deeper issues. Millions of people die yearly from self-medication and even overdose. One can self-medicate little symptoms like headache and even flu, just as far as you take the recommended dosage. But if it has anything to do with antibiotics, always make sure it is recommended by your doctor or a medical expert. Yes, it is difficult to spend hours in the hospital waiting, but just know it is always better to know what's happening inside of your body rather than guessing. Next thing, we are already taking drugs. Remember, self-medication is a two-edged sword. When it can be very helpful in a time of emergency if you know what you are medicating for, so it can be very dangerous to our health. Subscribe and share this video to help raise awareness on self-medication around the world.